1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sydney. Happy birthday to you. Oh, make a wish first.
Make a wish, ano? Yay!
Now you tell your daddy what your wish is.
iPhone?
No.
Huh? Touch the top. What's your wish?
A ping pong table. But I can't have that. Daddy said no.
What? We're keeping it like this, or take it out?
I want to eat the insides.
Yeah, that's why you have to take it out. Oh, can you let me take it out?
Why not? I'll take it out. No, it's hard.
There's ice cream. Can I lick that?
Yeah, but don't lick the... Not this one. This one has more. That's it.
Okay, we're